In this video, I will show you a super awesome $2000 gaming PC build guide for 2023. Let's get started. So for the processor, our choice is Intel Core i7-13700. This one costs around $387. This processor have an insane level 16 cores and 24 threads, and it comes with up to 5.2 GHz boost clock speed, which makes it an excellent gaming, video editing, streaming processor. Then for the CPU cooler, we are using a 240mm AIO. This one is a Deepcool LS520 high performance CPU cooler. It costs around $109. Now if you want, you can go with a 360mm cooler like this. It will cost you only $20 to $25 more, and also this cooler is more than enough powerful to cool down the CPU even in high stress. Then for the motherboard, our pick is MSI Mac B760 Tomahawk. This one costs around $199. Now it also a super awesome motherboard in this price. You will get 4 RAM slot, lightning fast PCIe Gen 5 support, large amount of heatsink over the VRM section, and also built-in Wi-Fi. So in this price, considering this is the latest motherboard, it's an excellent deal. Now comes the main components of a gaming PC build, the graphics card. And here we are using the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 Ti. It's a 12GB graphics card, comes with a whopping $879, and this graphics card is more than enough to start gaming at 4K with high settings. Then for the RAM, our pick is G-Skill Trident Z 32GB. This one costs around $89, and the RGB effect on those RAMs are just phenomenal. Then for the storage, our pick is Samsung 980 Pro 1TB SSD. This one costs around $87. Now this is one of the best selling SSD on the market. It comes with an insane up to 7000 Mbps read rate speed, which makes it an excellent choice for pro PC builders. Now for the power supply, our choose is Corsair RMX 850W power supply. This one costs around $149. It's a fully modular power supply, so you can detach all the unnecessary cable, so your cable management will be excellent. And also it comes with 80 plus gold certification and a super awesome 10 years plus warranty. And finally for the casing, our pick is Corsair iQ 4000D RGB. This one costs around $149. Those of you who are looking for a simple, minimalistic yet modern looking gorgeous case, this is the one. You will get 3 pre-installed RGB fan along with a mesh front, so there will be excellent airflow, and all those components will cost you around $2048. Thanks for watching.